everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to make a beautiful crocheted pillow cover. I was planning to make this for a very long time, but I finally did it, and it just looked amazing, and it feels so comfortable. So I'm pretty sure that you guys are gonna love it too. So do give it a shot and do let me know how it was. So watch the video till the end and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So let's go and start with the video. So I'm using these two pretty colors, and this pattern is called the Starburst Granny Square. This pattern is pretty common among the crocheters, and this is the easiest granny square ever. And I'm using a 5mm size crochet hook. I actually made a video earlier using the same pattern. It was a table mat, but the process was totally same. If you want a slow and a detailed way of making the granny square, please go and watch the other video, because here I will go a little faster, and I will link the video on the description and also in the I button. I'm starting with this mint green color. Make a knot and go for chain 5 and make a circle with a slip stitch. Then go for chain 3. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through. And do that 14 more times, and at last join it with a slip stitch. On the second row, I will do a puff stitch. Chain 1 first, yarn over and pull like this, and do this 3 times. Pull through all of them and chain 1. Do that on the every single gap. And at the end, you're gonna have 16 stitches and 1 slip stitch to close the circle. For the third row, I honestly don't know what to name this stitch, but yarn over and pull through only the first 2 stitches. Do the same thing unless you have 5 chains on your hook, and pull through all of them. Go for chain 2 this time and fill up all the 16 gaps. And do count every time you finish a row. At last, join it with a slip stitch. So this is the time when I'm going to change the color. Cut the yarn and pull through the gap like this, and pull a little bit to tighten it. Take the second color, which is off-white in my case, put it into any of the 16 gaps, then tie a simple knot to attach it. Then go for a chain 3 here and 2 triple crochet on the same gap. For the next 3 gaps, do 3 double crochet on each of them. And on the 4th one, which is going to be our corner, on that make 3 triple crochet, chain 2 and 3 triple crochet again. Here we complete our first corner. Again, go for 3 double crochet on the 3 gaps and go for a corner and go on. At last, attach it with a slip stitch. So I made 9 of them. It will depend upon your size of the pillow. Join all of them together. And this is how it will gonna look like. So take a piece of cloth. Again, this will depend on your pillow size, and 2 small pieces like this. Make a very simple pillow cover. Now this crochet piece will go on the top of the pillow cover like this and sew them together on the border. And it's done. See how beautifully it's done, and super easy and simple, but it can be a very pretty addition to your handmade collection. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, don't forget to like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.